What are the procedures of opening a Facebook account?
The Facebook one, the Facebook account.
Yes.
One of them you must know technology. That's one. Another one you must know what they call digital analysis. Another one you must be the visualization. A visualization. A bell band. And then another one. You must be somebody of the what they call hey, you go where? I want jale. Can I do it again? You pick one of you are one right.
So now, where can I find Facebook?
The Facebook, the Facebook can come in the national network. The Facebook can be got from your smartphone. Can be get from my phone. You can be get from a computer. And that's why I call it Facebook. Facebook, you can even ask your mother. You can now open a Facebook. Because the mother is the fountain of Facebook. I will say that. Okay. Forces.
So now I have one question about forces. How did Newton discover the what? This one. This force that brings things down.
Because
gravity.
How did Newton discover gravity force?
That was called the law of gravitational forces. Because when the Newton threw a stone in the air, the stone came down because he thought the thing was going up and it fall down. And the man said, now what is going on? And then there was the feather and it blew it and the thing was coming was down. Everything. And then somebody jumped. Let us jump. And the man jumped, wow, because there's force, which is called centrifugal force, which we call gravitational force, which tend to pull all the things. Because there is a very big magnet which got created, that was say the continental drift, and that is forces which still now is going to make another continent. So the continents we are not stable. Even at night, you see things are falling. The other time the woman even lost a beer because they put a beer and the beer fell. And
so in many situations, people have technology. And only intelligent people like you can understand certain things in life. So
you are very intelligent. You are oh,
you want to take down the Marathi?
What is what is 4K video resolution?
4K video resolution is being got from the sun radiation. Because if you have not seen the rays and the spectrum, you cannot bring up to another hepatitis. You're going to fail. Well, university, I'm going to
the last topic. The last topic is now about YouTube. The last topic is about YouTube. What is YouTube?
Because let me talk about you. The YouTube, the U is like the U, the letter U. The tube is U. Because the YouTube is the boyan. We talk about boyan is a balance of the knowledge in the computer and the errors.
Yeah.
Once you balance, you see. Okay, give me 1,000, but 10,000.
First wait, I will give you one. But now
1,000.
we're still talking about YouTube. We're still talking about YouTube. We're still question, eh?
Yes.
What is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is natural. That is good. Artificial intelligence is environmental intelligence, which means you get it from environments. That environmental influence, environmental adhesive corrosive. Because as you move and you move, that's a collision. That's what we call it is what we call adhesive forces and a corrosive. Question. You are getting mark go. Okay, because this is money.
Now, under what condition may a person need to use YouTube?
You must be a person with sound mind.
Yeah.
You must be a person of not disabled. You must be a person of good visual analysis. You must be people of good smelling, good hearing, and good sound mind.
Senses.
And a person of not a very small person, because that thing can consume your body. Because you must be someone like you. You must be somebody fatty. Because the thing is a computer, is a magnetic. See, good.
Give me 5 uses of YouTube.
5 uses of YouTube. To balance the upper amplitude. To balance the atmospheric pressure. To balance your weight. To even to treat you if you have a disease of pressure.
Then lastly,
you should be not somebody who eat a lot.
Now, what is an Android operating system?
I beg your pardon?
What is an Android OS? Android.
That is what we call balloon and digestive correction, which bring women to a confused mind. Okay, another one.
Another one, eh?